This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
While facing to the right, step forward with your right foot, then bring the toes of your left foot down further out, keeping your knee bent as you put your left hand on your hip and extend your right arm straight out in front of you. Bend your knees as you look straight up, then straighten your legs and look straight ahead again. Lower your arms as you step slightly to the right with your right foot, then turn to your right so that you are facing the camera as you step over to the left with your left foot, then further to the right with your right foot. Bend your knees as you tilt your head back a bit and slide your left hand up the left side of your head. Slide your left hand back down as you straighten your legs. Hop slightly to bring your right foot in a bit as you bring your left foot up behind you and bend your elbows to bring your fists near your stomach, then step forward on your left foot as you extend your arms down and out to either side. Swing your arms inward in small full circles, then swing them in and up to bring your hands to your chest as you bring your left foot back to meet your right foot. Step over to the left with your left foot as you extend your right arm down and to the right, and bend your left elbow so that it angles up to the left. Lower your left elbow a bit, then swing your left arm out and down in a large counterclockwise circle. Bend your left knee to the left and hit your right hip with your right fist twice before bending your right elbow to bring your fist above your head. Look away from the camera before quickly looking back. Wave your body twice while sliding your right hand down your head, neck, and body. Swing your right arm back down to your right side, then kick back with your left foot as you tilt your head to the right, then back up before bringing your left foot back down. Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot so that you are turned to face the camera. Jump slightly to move your feet apart as you bend your knees and extend both arms down with your hands clasped together. Quickly tilt your head to the right, then back up. Keeping your hands together, swing them both clockwise until they are above your head as you bring your right knee up to the left. Bring your right foot back down to the right as your hands come down in front of your chest, then quickly spin to the right on your left foot while keeping your hands in position. Hop on your left foot slightly, then when you're facing the camera again, lower your arms as you bring your right foot back down to the right, then clap your hands together straight up above your head. Quickly slide your right hand from your left shoulder to your right shoulder as you bring your right foot over to meet your left foot and put your left hand on your left thigh. Step in place on your left, then right foot as you quickly switch the positions of your hands 3 times. Punch out toward the camera with your left fist as you bring your right hand near your shoulder and your right knee up. As you lower your left arm, extend your right arm up, then bring your right foot down toward the camera so that you are turned to the left as you move your right arm down so that it is straight out toward the camera, palm facing out. Bring your right foot up and swing your right arm counterclockwise as you pivot to the left on your left foot until you are facing away from the camera with your arms straight out in front of you again as your right foot comes down as before. Lower your right arm as you tilt your head to the left, then back up while turning to look at the camera so that you are facing to the right. Step back slightly with your left foot, then with your left hand behind your back, bring your right hand up to your head and roll your body as you slide your right hand down the back of your head. Look to the right and move both fists out in front of you sharply as if you were slamming them against a wall as you bring your right foot up behind you. Lower your left arm as you bring your right foot down over to the right. Push your right hand out toward the camera as you bring your left foot over to meet your right foot. Step back over to the left with your left foot as you extend your right arm up, then bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Slowly pull your right fist down as you step over to the right with your right foot, then bring your left foot over to meet it. Step back over to the left with your left foot as you lower your right arm. Pivot to the right on your left foot as you swing your right foot around so that your back is to the camera. Place one hand on top of the other with your elbows pointing out to either side and both arms moved to the right. Move your arms up, keeping your hands together and your elbows bent, then bring them back down over to the left before pulling them to the right again. Move your arms so that they are in front of your chest as you spin to the left on your left foot for one full spin and then another half spin. You should end facing the camera.